Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we going to show you a famous Bengali food, pumpkin leaves cake. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel. So let's go and see how to make these pumpkin leaves cakes. For making these cakes, first we take pumpkin leaves. I wash this leaf properly. After that, we take potato chopped properly and wash it. After that, we take our famous garam masala, homemade garam masala. After that, we take our homemade jeera masala and homemade daruchini masala. If you want to see this video how to make homemade daruchini and garam masala, I give the link in the description below. After that, we take salt and turmeric powder and ginger and green chili. First, we see you how to make these pumpkin leaves softly. First, we take the 1 or 2 leaves and give some salts to the leaves and smash it properly. You see how to smash it? After that, we smashed all the leaves one by one. You see our all leaves smashed properly. Now we take the leaves 10-minute rest. Now I fried the potatoes. For this, I take a pan and put some oil and hot it. After that, I put half of the potatoes in this pan for frying it. You can see I give half of the potatoes. After that, I give salt and turmeric powder. After giving this, I mixed it properly and fried it properly. Remember, when you fry the potatoes, you put the flame on medium and fry it till golden brown. You see our potatoes fried properly. Now I put it on a plate. After that, I fried rest of the potato. You can see I fried all the potatoes. Now I mixed all the masalas and chopped green chili and ginger. Now I give all the green chili and ginger. After that, I mix all the masalas. You can see I give all the masalas. After that, I mixed it properly with the fried potatoes. After 10 minutes, we looked into the salty leaves. You can see it become very soft. Now we will remove all of the salty water from the leaves. You can see the procedure. Like this, you will remove all the salty water from the leaves. Now we learn how to make leaves cake. First we put one leaves. After that, we put another leaves opposite side of the leaf. Like this, you put 2 leaves. After that, we put all masala potatoes. Like this we put. After that, we fold it. You can see how we fold the leaves. Like this, you have to fold it. Otherwise, leaves will come out. Our one leaves cake already done. Now I show you again how to make it. First we put a leaves on the plate. After that, we put another leaves opposite side of these leaves. Like this way I make another one. Put one. After that, put another opposite side. Now I give the masala potato to this. Now I give the masala potato. Now I fold the leaves. Like this way you have to fold it. Please see it carefully. You have to fold it all the way. Another one of leaves cake is done. I fold another one. Like this way we fold all our leaves cake. After that, we fried it on a pan. Now I take a hot pan and put some oil on it. After that, I put 3 or 4 cakes on it. I put 3 cakes now. And after that, I make it cover for 5 minutes. If you cover, it will be crispy. And now I put the cover on it. Like this way you have to put it for 5 minutes with medium heat. 5 minutes done. Now I reverse it and put it another 2 minutes. Like this way you have to reverse it and put it again for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes is done. You can see our cakes is almost ready and it looks very good. It looks like crispy. So we put another 2 minutes for fry it. After that you can see that it looks very crispy. Now we will put it down. Friends, now you can see our today's recipe pumpkin leaves cake is ready. It looks very pretty. Now I cut it down one cake and show you how pretty look this. You can look the inner filling of the cakes. Please look how pretty it looks like. You can see the whole filling inside the cake. You can see it now. So friends, please try it at home and comments me how tasty it was. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.